All right, y'all. So the next thing on the list for cosmetic things to be done to the D150 is bedliner. And if you followed me long enough, you know that I used to be a certified trained bedliner installer. That's what I used to do at my shop in Missouri. So believe me when I say it pains me to do this. But it's our only option, so that's what we're doing right now. I mean, our only option as far as a DIY today. So this is what we're about to do. I've only done Raptor liner like I think 2 other times. But I think I've only ever used the can. So this is gonna be my first one with the air compressor and the gun. So let's do it. So next on the list of cosmetic things to get done to the D150, we've got our good friend Colby here with Back 9 Detailing, and he is doing a little like paint correction. Not anything too crazy because it's a single stage paint, but he's basically going to get off all the oxidation and really brighten it back up. And from what he's done so far, I already think just brightening the paint up is going to match the powder coat that we've done a lot better. It's like bringing out the metallic, bringing out the shine, so he's going to take it away. Zach's making the dash panel. Alright, so I'm going to cut it with the H&S plasma cutter. That's not too...
Look how much room we got. You can go up like 3 times.
Yeah.
And still have enough. And then Lowe's is right down the road. They got like 8 more of those.
See, that's what I'm saying. You just didn't seem very faithful in my skills right now. So you said we're going to try...
I'm more concerned of what's on your chest.
I spilled Red Bull on me. So we're going to try this corner first.
Safety first.
Safety first. I think I could do better. I think I just need to get in a stance where I can move.
You want a chair?
Yeah.
Slow down, baby.
Can I drag it on? go, Ethan.
Like, and that's what if you're on it, it'll help keep you steady. But if you it's kind of like everything else. You want it to be like 90 degrees from the surface. That way you're not cutting it manual and blowing it.
Okay.
You straight down and you can do it.
Let's try right here.
That's 10 times better. It doesn't have to be perfect.
I don't know why you're not stopping.
Because you didn't even try.
I did. You said it had to be close.
We said don't have to be perfect. Lacey says, half inch will do.
And now you're mad, even though you said we could redo it a bunch of times.
Well, it'd be much easier if we just did it once. So finish cutting it, and then I'll go make a new one.
That might work.
I like it. I didn't have to do it, so I like it.
Clean it up with a grinder and check it out.
See?
Get to grinding.
I'm scared about this.
Well, where's your safety pants at? All the safety police are going to get your ass.
Well, what's the verdict?
You did pretty all right. I left you enough room for error.
Oh, okay.
All right, paint it.
Oh. All right, y'all. So the D150 cab, the fender wells, the hood, and everything are at Devilish Trends right now. Stefan is going to get them painted up. We're doing, I can't remember if we talked about this on the vlog or not, but we're going to be doing silver with like bass boat flake. So I'm pretty excited. I think it'll make all the parts kind of pop under there. So we're about to head to his shop and go check it out. So let's go.